Hello friend, welcome back to Algorithm Visualized. This is Golden Sun. Thank you for following me to this long. Okay, so if you feel right, you are comfortable with recursion, let me give you a challenge. So this is the last recursive example we wrote. So remove vowels from a sentence. Here, for the following investigation, let me rewrite this part to make it easier for our next step. So we can do if this one. So let's check this one. Right? Cut. Let's put the condition here. Let's define the answer here. Let answer equals rest. Yeah. If the last letter is a vowel, so we just return the answer. Otherwise, so if not contain, right? So the answer will be rest concatenated with this guy. I didn't change the logic. I just rewrite it. So let's do assign the answer. What is that? Answer. Oh, yeah. This has to be var, var. Yeah. So we assign the rest to the answer, and if the last letter is not a vowel, we need to put it back, right? Concatenate with the rest. So it should be the same, the result. Green. Yes, green. Now, the challenge is, and actually many people write this logic as, if the last letter is not a vowel, the answer should be the string itself, right? The rest plus the last letter, is that correct? Can we do that? This is challenge, right? Pause the video and think about that, and you can try to explain why the result is like that. Okay, so let's run it. Failed. If we check the error message, right, it's not like that. The result is the original string. What is wrong here? It can be wrong, right? Okay, so let's put the original one back, the previous, the correct thing here, and this time let's go deeper to print out the string and the answer. Okay, so here every time when the recursive call arrives, we print the argument, the parameter, and here before we return, right, we check what is the answer. Now guess what it looks like in output. It's like that. So we passed in that, then it triggers the recursive call of that. It triggers the recursive call of that with that as the parameter. And then when it hits the base case, the execution starts to return this one, that one, WE with E removed. So this function call is paired with this return answer. Why is like that? So when we return this, we use the last letter L to concatenate with the result of the previous result, which is WE with vowel E removed. So let's check this pair. So here and yeah, it's hard to check. So this is the correct process of execution. Now let's put the wrong one back, right? What is, if we put the original string here, right? We know this is wrong, but let's see why. So run it. It looks similar, right? It's like the upside down triangle here. This is same, but this part is different. The E wasn't removed. It's still there. All the vowels stay as like the original string here. So why is like that? So if we check here, right? So this one, here is the corresponding return to the recursive call with this. And if we return the original one, it means we just return the whatever passed in as the parameter WEL. We didn't use the previous result with E removed to concatenate with this letter. So this one is same. So here we return the original string like that. We didn't use, yeah, of course, starting from here is already wrong. Yeah. And if we make it shorter, so let's try it again. It's easier to see. Yeah. So this triggers recursive call with the substring, right? WE, and it triggers the recursive call of W, then empty, so it returns. So this one, the first return is empty, then it returns W, and the corresponding return of this one, yes, we have that one here. If the last letter is E, right, we return answer W. That's correct. This is correct, but next one is not, right? So to get, before we return that one, this time we didn't use the result of the previous recursive call like W. We used the original parameter WEL here, we should use this one. This is the rest. We should use this one to concatenate with the L. That's the problem. Yeah, so it try to play with that, right, until the what happens here is clear to us. Now let's put it back. Yeah, hopefully by playing again and again you can understand they are different here. We don't want to return string in this case. What we want to return is the rest and the last letter concatenated. The rest is for example, right? For example, is this part. The rest is this part with vowels removed. That one concatenated with D. This one is different from this as is plus D, which is excuse me, yeah. So that's the thing I want to share with you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.